Hey everybody, this is Billy at Bakersfield. Tough Man. I got something super cool for you. Of course, you know we do our Back to Life series with H&S Body and Larry Miller here, man. And look at this thing that Dickie has brought us. See, every issue, man, he brings us something spectacular, and this one's no exception. And man, I'm just gonna go right for it, man. Like, what year are we talking here?
It's a 1955.
1955.
210 Post.
Man, now this is a pretty incredible story too, which we'll get into. But I want to kind of show. Can I show him this car? Let me show him this car real quick, if you don't mind. Here, I'm just gonna pan from the front.
You mean to move?
Yeah, why don't you come over here to my left here, and then we'll kind of go from the left. Look at this thing, man. Look at the back. What size rims and tires we got back here?
Those are 31.5s on the back.
31.5s.
Yeah, 15 wide, 31 tall.
That's a wide tire.
That's a wide tire.
And for you, for those who don't know, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but we're pretty much talking like a drag tire almost, right?
Yeah, it's tubs in the back.
What's incredible about this, and I found it hard to believe when I was actually looking for a trailer when I saw this here, but this doesn't see a trailer, right? You actually use this.
I drive it. It's a driver.
Yeah. You actually, I mean, you take it on the freeway.
Yeah. Trailers are for boats.
That's cool,
yeah,
man.
it's got that gear vendor's overdrive in it.
Yeah.
So it's
how does it drive going down the road?
Straight as an arrow, man.
No kidding.
That's no joke. Yeah.
All right, so let's wrap around here. I want to show them all. Now, what makes this unique and sad, but I guess there's a silver lining to it, is that this thing got in a wreck, right? You actually got in a... Tell us what happened.
I got hit over here on the passenger side front right here.
Yeah?
I got hit right here, and I got hit on the back right side.
A double whammy?
Double whammy, same time, by the tail light. Yeah.
Isn't that depressing when you see a car on the side of the road that's been in a wreck like this?
Well,
man? I'm telling you, man.
When the fire department pulled up, they go, man, I hope it's not that Chevy. Unfortunately, it was.
Yeah. And of course, they fixed it for you, right?
Oh, yeah, they fixed it. Yeah.
Yeah. Man, that's something
Duke
else.
Shepard fixed it.
I'd never know that you wrecked this thing, to be honest with you.
I've told a couple of people at car shows, and they said, man, you'd be better off not to say nothing. Nobody would know. So you had to put a new bumper on it, new grill, and then it got the corner of the hood, new fender, and then they just pulled the back out, and they had to put a new bumper on the back.
Let's wrap around here and kind of show them. How long did it take them to repair this thing?
3 months.
So they had to redo all this too? I mean,
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It got hit right here. Bones right there. I got pictures of it.
It's depressing, man.
Yeah, it is.
I'll put it in the magazine so people can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to get in here and show them that rear end because that's pretty trick, man.
It's a Ford 9-inch, 373 gears with the gear benders. I don't know. I noticed that.
Yeah.
The exhaust.
Man, that's something else. Can we pop the trunk? Because this thing's not just pretty on the outside. Check this out.
22-gallon fuel cell.
That's about as race as it gets, right? 2 batteries, roll cage. You know what I like? Are these inserts right here.
Yeah.
Clean. And look, it's matched up here too.
Victor Circle back halved it. Victor Circle back halved it. And they did all this.
They did?
Yeah, they just went to the back seat and cut the frame. And then they put one of them Austin Coil rear clips on it.
Wow.
They did an awesome job,
Victory Circle, man.
Yeah, they did
more than
awesome
just race
job.
cars, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
But they did a really good job on it. It goes straight down the road too, man.
Yeah.
No problem.
I was going to show them the interior. Why don't you? Can we open that door and take a look at it? All right, let's take a look at it. It's real nice. Yeah. Love it. Man, I like that cage.
All these panels and the glove box and the console is all made out of aluminum. He makes he does his own patterns. That's what he does. He doesn't use the cardboard.
Yeah.
He makes his own aluminum.
No kidding. Yeah, that's nice. Who did the cage, man?
The cage was done by a guy by the name of Jeremy Coop.
Clean looking, isn't it?
Yeah, he was a kid, probably 19 years old when he put this in here.
Yeah.
And he did an awesome job, man.
Probably helps the car too, right? Not flat.
Yeah, and a lot of things are bent.
Yeah.
He followed the
contour of the car. Yeah.
He didn't just put a straight, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
A straight cage and a box in it. He did an awesome job on it, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Got it tubbed out in the back.
The car up.
Yeah. The seats look awesome, man.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like you'd be wearing it, man, right?
Yeah. I took the headrest off.
Yeah.
The guy said, "Man, we'd better off to do it without the headrest." I said, "That's weird. I don't want a high seat in there anyway."
Yeah. Man, look at that dash. Incredible.
Yeah, he does nice work, man.
I love the shifter, man. That's cool. Really clean. Love the lines in there.
Just not too gaudy. Just something, you know.
What year did you get this car?
I bought this car in 2001.
2001.
From a guy that lived on the next street from me.
Yeah.
I knew the guy that owned the car, but I didn't think he'd ever get rid of it.
I'd imagine it didn't look like this.
Nothing like this. I got pictures at home. I was going to bring one of the pictures and show you, man.
I'll put them in the magazine. You get them.
Yeah, I'll show you a picture of what it looked. It had 3-inch center lines on the front, 3-inch wide center lines on the front, and 8 on the back. 8-inch wide, because that's all you could get underneath there.
Has he seen this thing since you've done it? The person that you got it from?
No, don't think he has.
He probably loses.
He lives in Utah.
Oh, okay.
But the guy that turned me onto the car is I need to get some pictures to him and let him get them to Donnie.
Yeah.
Don Walling was his name.
Yeah.
He worked at Bakersfield motorcycle salvage there on Kentucky Street.
Yeah. One more thing, man. I gotta pop the hood. Can we see what you got underneath the front hood here?
You betcha.
All right. Yeah, this is done too, right? This cutout right here is pretty clean.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks real nice, right?
You did a nice job on it. Yeah, you look underneath the hood.
Man.
Painted everything. See, there's no brake booster. It's frame mounted.
Frame mounted. Yeah. Is that a custom? I mean, did they ever come frame mounted, or is that something you put together?
No, that's something I put on the car. They don't come frame mounted.
No kidding.
They bolt it right there, and then it's got the 250 shot of nitrous on it.
Wow.
With the throttle bodies.
You ever used it?
No. It's got enough power like it is, Billy.
I say,
this
man,
thing will roll
how
the
much
tires.
more you need here
This
for a
thing
street
will roll
driver?
the tires off of it, man.
Yeah. Of course, what's the what motor we got? Oh, it's a big block, of course.
Yeah,
but
it's a 60 over 454. Now look at the radiator hoses. No clamps.
Oh, yeah. You're right on that. Very clean. Man, I dig that billet water pump.
Yeah, it's a Mazir.
That's something else.
No problems with it.
Nope.
No problems with it. Everybody asks me if I have any problems with it, and no, runs great, man.
Yeah.
Runs great.
Well, I'll tell you, man, this is definitely, you know what, I think out of every person that I've done with H&S so far, I think you're the most proudest of your car. No, I'm serious. I could tell that you love it, man. Everything about it's like...
It's part of me. I'm a car guy.
Right. A lot of people will get things done. Maybe they don't know the intricates of it. Sometimes they do, but I can tell that you have a passion for every little piece on this car.
This is my high. This is my high, man.
And you know what, too, what I thought was impressive, and I'm not... You know, a lot of people that build cars in this town, Bakersfield has a lot of hot rods. There's no doubt. We have some of the nicest hot rods in the state. There's a lot of money in Bakersfield. A lot of people, you know, a lot of people that get it done, you know, work, you know, are high ups in the oil industry or retired from the oil industry, had companies. But you're a working man, right? I mean,
for a living, man.
Yeah,
drive a truck.
You're a working man that made this happen, and I won't get into what the price is, but I heard it, and it'd be enough to rock people's mind.
Let me tell you something else. This is a 2-piece. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's filled in. This is 2 pieces.
Wow.
So I mean, just a lot of stuff that's, you know, done to the car that's, you know, most people wouldn't know unless you're definitely into cars and a car guy.
Yeah, definitely something to be proud of. We're going to put it in our next edition of Bakersfield Tough. One more thing too I wanted to mention is that you guys know H&S does some of the nicest work on customs. They actually have a spot I think right now for a lead fabricator, and if you're interested, you can give them a call, and you have to know what you're doing. It's not training camp here. You have to know what you're doing, but it's down there at H&S, and I mean, you're knocking out things like this. So congratulations, man. I know you said you'd been wanting this in a magazine, and now you're going to get it, and it's well deserved.
Hey, thanks, Bill. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate it.
Billy, thank you so much.